Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanchika. Today we'll see how to write unit test cases for a public method, and that public method internally calls another public method in the same file. So if we see the code here, this division is a public method, and we are trying to write unit test case for this calculator method, but we don't want to go into the code of division method. So we'll see how to write test case for the calculator method so that it doesn't enter into the division itself. So we can write test case for this calculator in two different ways based on how we are having the code. So let us say this division is a method in the interface. In that case, how can we write? Directly we have this underscore processor mock. If we see here, it is the mock of I processor. We can use that and just call setup and just put any variable called x or a or anything, and the input parameters of this division is integer and integer. So the declaration should be it is any int and it is any int dot. I wanted to return some value for this division method, so I'm just returning it to 5 because I'm trying to give the input parameters as 10 and 2 as the values. So variable processor is the instance of processor constructor, and I'll pass this mock of iProcessor to this newly created processor instance. Now just variable result equal to this processor dot calculator, and just giving an empty string for operation because in my code the division part doesn't need anything as specific, just like add or subtract or multiple. So now asserting it to be a double value of 5 comma result. Let us run this unit test case. See, it is passed. If we see here, it is passed, and sometimes it may take time to reflect it here. We can get confirmation from here. Now let us say we are not having the division in interface. That means this division method is only part of this class, not from the interface. Then how are we going to write unit test case? You can clearly see the error here. It is not part of iProcessor, so you cannot mock it. So definitely this is not the right way to mock the division method if we are trying to write test case for calculator. So let me show you. You can just create a processor mock, that is new mock of constructor, and just pass this iProcessor object. Now use this mocked processor instance and set up division. This declaration is same, and returns double 5. Now variable result equals to, here we need to observe that we should use the mock processor because we have mocked this division using this processor, and somehow while we are running the unit test case, it should go through the uh, whatever we have mocked, it should be accessed in the unit test case and in the main code. So this is the one we have used for mocking, and that will be used for calling the method calculator also. Now we can see this. So this unit test case should fail now. I'll tell you why. See, it failed. So because this division method is only a simple, it is a non overridable member. So if we see the error here, I couldn't show the error. It is a non overridable member, you'll get the error message. So if you try to make it as virtual, then we can override the division method for mocking as well as for passing the test case. See, now the test case is passed. So this is how we write unit test cases for mocking a public method when we are writing a unit test case for another public method. So if I hope you understand. If you are having any doubts in this video, or if you are having any doubts in your own code and writing test cases in your own code, you can definitely approach me through comments in the comment. You can just comment it in the comment section. I'll definitely reach out to you, or else I'll put my mail ID in the description. You can just ping me there. I'll reply you. I hope you understand and you like this video. Please go and like the video, subscribe and support me. Thank you.